Hi everybody, my name is Emily. For those of you who don't know, I am a comic artist. I still do that here and there. I'm more of a artist illustrator, and lately I've been doing more textiles for clothing and stuff like that. This is actually one of my designs that I've done. It's basically polka dot, but it's got sleeping kitties on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's very faint purposefully just because I want from a distance it to look like regular polka dots, and then when you get a little closer you can sort of see the subtle kitties, secret kitties in there. So anyways, I did a black pattern recently. Before it was kind of more of a turquoise sort of pattern, so hopefully this, I don't think I have this in my store yet. I just sort of ordered it from a separate site that's similar. It's like a sister store to the site that I've been using, so I just wanted to sort of test it out and see if it looked good. I hopefully will upload some of the black polka dots in the future. So anyways, speaking of testing, I like to do lots of tests and stuff of my particular products that I tend to put my images on. I did get a package recently in the mail, and I'm pretty sure this is from Threadless. Threadless, for those of you who don't know, do a lot of t-shirts and that sort of thing, but recently they just uploaded a function for making socks, and I'm really excited to do an unboxing, or what I like to call it is an unbagging, I guess, because it's a little bit easier to do free shipping, I guess, with bags than boxes for Canadian citizens like myself. So this is my unbagging or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. This is the socks, and I'm hoping they're gonna be good. Let's see. I haven't looked at them. I don't know what they look like right now. So this is basically my initial reaction to the new Threadless socks, and I'm hoping that they did a good job. And it's really hard to open. Hold muscles. I need muscles. So let's see. Oh my god, so cute. This is black, I guess you could say. As you can see, like, it looks a little grayer in tone, but this is basically socks with the same pattern that I'm wearing right now on them. And if you can sort of see, and I'm hoping these hold up in the wash and stuff, because I've had, I think I've tried Zazzle socks out, and I wasn't really impressed with the quality of them, unfortunately, so hopefully I can do another video talking about the quality of these at some point. But anyways, that's that one. These ones are gonna be matching some dresses that I ordered recently. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I made a dress with, I love the Ninja Turtles. I don't know if you guys know that about me. I'm sure there's quite a few of you that do know this about me, but I love the Ninja Turtles. I think I met Kevin Eastman like years ago at like Fan Expo, and I did not know what to say. All I did was shake his hand and say nice to meet you, but I just wanted to say, dude, you're the reason I became an illustrator or like a cartoonist. Totally wanted to fangirl out on him. And actually a really cool thing, I ended up dressing as, this is just an aside story, I ended up dressing as Krang from the original cartoon of Ninja Turtles, with an outfit where it was like some dude, like bald guy, and he had like cool 80s like sunglasses, and like he basically like put Krang like this, if you don't know about Ninja Turtles, he's like this brain character. Basically like they had the character right in his stomach in this like mecha outfit thing. And I went to Zombie Walk one year in this outfit. I might try to find the picture and maybe post it here. And then I did it a side by side. And Kevin Eastman, somehow, I think somebody tagged me on Facebook in Kevin Eastman's Facebook account or something like that. And like he saw my costume and he actually told me it was genius. So I was like, okay. I did 2 costumes that year. I did that, and I think I did Kira from the Dark Crystal. And so I was working a full-time job while I made, and I just did both of these costumes in a month's time. And like, so they were kind of not the best quality. They were just, but like they were made with love, So anyways, I made those, and he said they were genius, and I was like, thanks, Kevin Eastman, you like made my lifetime. Like, that was awesome. So anyways, So this is me again fangirling out about the Ninja Turtles, as you can see, and I sort of did this like really cute. I did a better job probably on the dresses that are coming, hopefully, if they printed them properly. But anyways, these are like my Ninja Turtle patterns that I sort of did on the computer, and then I did almost like a little pizza. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can, but it's like a little pizza pattern. And basically the dress is kind of like this, like the top. You guys will hopefully see it in a new video when I get those eventually. I know things are a little slow right now, but yeah, so I did the top like this and then the bottom kind of like this on a pocketed dress. So I'm really excited to wear these with that. And then I did a similar thing for my husband because, you know, why not? With like a blue background. And so he can wear those and stuff. And that's really, it's gonna be cute and fun and exciting. And then I did another dress, of course, and it's, again, I don't know if you can see this very well, but it's basically gummy bears, which, who doesn't love gummy bears? But it's also of, I really don't know if you can see this because it's very, very like hard to tell. And again, in the dress, you'll probably be able to see it a little bit better, but it's basically, and I might even post like a picture of this and what I was trying to do with this, but it's basically gummy bears that are the Care Bears. And so basically, yeah, I've got like, how was it? The blue one's Grumpy, the pink one's Cheer Bear. Let me see if I can get like a better shot of this actually. Let me see here. I don't know. It's hard to tell because everything's ribbed with socks, unfortunately, but it's still cute and colorful and fun. That's all that I care about, really. But then there's Cheer Bear Funshine. I think that's Share Bear down there, Lucky, and who's that? That was Tenderheart Bear. So I was not a huge fan of the Care Bears when I was growing up. Like, I was definitely leaning more towards Ninja Turtle type of person. But this idea just popped in my head from another idea, and I just thought it was a really cute idea, so I decided to do that, and I really liked how it turned out. Yeah, I just thought it was so colorful and cute and fun, and like, why not, right? Anyways, that's that. It's a very short video. Hopefully you guys really liked that and enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it, and yeah, I just wanted to like let you guys know that this was something that I ended up sort of buying in the mail during this whole thing while I was bored, and I made all these things while I was bored. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys liked that video. It was really fun to make, and I hope everybody has a safe and healthy time staying inside, and I'm going to be staying inside with some cozy socks now. You know, thanks so much, Threadless. Hopefully they work out and they are good quality. They look like they're fairly good quality so far, but who knows, maybe a little wear and tear will happen. I have no idea. But anyways, I just wanted to say hi to everybody and also just, you know, do a fun little unboxing video for you guys. So hopefully you will all enjoy that. Okay, take care everybody. Bye, have a good one.